Yep, go.
We're going to measure the heat of solution today using calorimetry, using the H equals mc delta T, so the MCAT equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how much energy is used to dissolve that, or energy is produced. You're going to either get an increase in temperature or a decrease in temperature, depending on whether that is an exothermic or an endothermic process. So we're going to start by measuring 50 mils of water, and that's our solvent, and we're just going to simply pour it into our polystyrene cup. And we're using polystyrene because it's a good insulator. Hopefully we won't lose lots of heat out of it. We're going to then measure the temperature, and we'll just wait till the temperature gets to a stable reading after about 5 minutes. What you then want to do is put the whole apparatus on the weigh balance, and you're going to weigh about 2 grams of salt. In this state, I'm going to start with potassium nitrate. The other one we're going to do is sodium hydroxide, and we need to be really careful with that because it is really, really nasty. It's caustic, it will burn you, okay? And it's solid, so we want to be very careful with that. So I'm going to add approximately 2 grams of solid So I've got 2.60 grams. I'm going to quickly take it off, give it a bit of a stir, try and dissolve the whole solution, and I'm going to put the lid on and make sure that there's no heat escaping. Then I can gently stir it by just moving it around like that. And then I'm going to take the lowest reading or the highest reading, depending on whether the thermometer reading goes up or down. So I've recorded my mass of solute, I've recorded my mass of solvent, I've recorded the initial temperature, and then I've recorded the final temperature. So then I plug it into my then I put it into my
formula.
H equals MCAT, and I have the reading for the mass of water, which is 50 grams, the C, which is my specific heat of water, 4.2, and I then have a change in temperature, which would be 3 or 4 or 5, 6 degrees, and calculate the heat of solution for my potassium nitrate and the sodium hydroxide.